The Rivers State government has released the sum of 78 billion naira for payment for the completion of ongoing projects and flag off of new projects across all the local government areas in the state. Again, the government has specifically released the sum of 1.8 billion naira, representing 80% of the capital provisions for the judiciary in the 2022 budget for the services of the Rivers State Judiciary. Thank you so much.
Recently, the Rivers State government has awarded a myriad of new projects spread across the local governments and senatorial districts of the state, some of which were approved today by council and some were ratified. Amongst those projects that are recently awarded and for which contractors have been mobilized to site are the Abua, Emo, Eyak, Igbom, Elok, Egbolom Access Road in Abua, Odwal local government area. It's an 8.168 kilometer road, and it's going to be completed. The completion contract has been awarded. And then the Ekago, Ogboloma, Adada Link Road in Abua, Odwal local government area, a 9.2 kilometer road, has also been awarded. The Alode Oner Road, which is a major bypass to the east-west road, and which sits in an industrial corridor and is of immense commercial benefit, has also been awarded. The Alode Internal Road, 7.15 kilometer, has also been awarded. The Eneka roundabout Igbo Iche Road, which the public has always been yearning for, has also been awarded. The Akpabu Egbeda Elele Omoku Link Road, which is a major bypass to the Akpabu and Umudioga communities, has also been awarded. The Odido community has never seen the road before. They are going to be having the Akpabu Odido Link Road. The Nkpo Daya Link Road, which terminates at the waterfront overlooking UST and Eagle Island, has also been awarded. The Rumegbo internal roads has also been awarded. The Elele internal road in the Ikwere local government area has also been awarded. The Ojemude road in Ahoda local government area has also been awarded. The Ogbo Ozochi road in Ahoda local government area has also been awarded. It cuts across two local government areas, Ahoda East and Ahoda West, and it's 11.3 kilometers by length. The Ogbo Ihugbogo Ahoda Road has also been awarded. Pardon me, the other one is Obodi Ozochi Road, 11.3 kilometers. Also awarded major bypasses that will help decongest traffic in the states, like the link road from the SAS road through Elepokodu to Rupoku Road, the Dere Ko Ba Link Road in Gukana local government area, or Hermini Road in Port Harcourt, in Sirim Road in Port Harcourt. And there are also ongoing projects which the state government found important to pay completely for, so that those projects can be driven into a speedy completion within the duration of this administration. And some of those projects that we recently paid for, again, just to fast track it, are flyovers 11 and 12, which is ongoing, and with a fast pace too. The Aoda Omoku dualization project, the Omoku Aligu Krigani project, the Omoku Egbema project, the Okochiri internal road project, the Murumo Isara in a Neka internal road project. The Neka internal road phase 2 project has also been awarded. The Abalamabie Shore Protection Bridge and Road Project in Boni local government area has also been paid for. The Ogoni Andoni Unity Road Project has also been paid for, almost completely paid for. The Chokocho Igodo Road Projects in the Che local government area, which is ongoing and going on speedily too, has also been recently paid for. The Abloma, Fimia, Edioka, Okuru Road up to the jetty, the rehab works and fresh construction works have also been paid for. For that project, we have paid over 75% so far. The Ngbo Shimini Roads project, which will be commissioned very soon in a matter of days, has also been paid for in Rumeme community. The Rupoku Igirita Road has also been paid for, and I'm sure we're going to be commissioning this project in a few days' time. The Rupakolosi Egbolo Road has also been paid for, and I'm sure it's ready for completion now. Obakari Internal Road project has also been paid for recently, and the project has reached a good level of completion. I'm sure asphalting is going on now. Dualization of Bori Corner Road, which is being executed by CCCC, has also been completely paid for, and that project is almost ready for commissioning. I'm confident that that project will be commissioned this year. Thank you.
Mobilize. Recently, the Rivers State government has awarded the contracts and also mobilized the contractor for the remodeling of the government secondary school Leneka in Obiakpo local government area of Rivers State. Similarly, the government secondary school Emohua, which was demolished some years back, the contract has been awarded and contractor has mobilized to site as he has been paid for the reconstruction of the government secondary school Emohua in Emohua local government area of Rivers State. Government secondary school Emago in Abua has been completed and contract has been awarded and contractor mobilized for the furnishing of the project. So in a couple of weeks, the project will be ready for commission after the furnishing. Calabari Girls High School Buguma, which was abandoned some years back, the contract has also been awarded and contractor has been mobilized to site for the completion of the reconstruction and remodeling of the Calabari Girls High School Buguma. Calabari National College Buguma, KNC Buguma, the contract has also been awarded and contractor has been mobilized for the completion of the reconstruction and remodeling of that college. We also have government secondary school Abua that has been completed and contract has been awarded and contractor mobilized for the furnishing of the school for commissioning. Western Ahoda County High School has also been completed and contract has been awarded for the external works and furnishing of the school building for commission in a couple of weeks from now. Government secondary school Ogu has been awarded. Contractor has achieved 90% completion of the project, and the furnishing of the project has also commenced. Community secondary school Okoronodo in Obiakpo local government area of Rivers State has been awarded, and the project is speedily progressing. At least 60% progress have been made. So these and so many others have been achieved in the Ministry of Education so far.
Special projects. The ministry today presented a memo to the State Executive Council for approval and the ratification of the sale of remodeled reinsurance building, currently known as Senator John Azota Mbata House. Access Bank offered to buy the building, and the building for the sum of 3.8 billion naira. I am sure during the commissioning we did mention how much it cost us to remodel that building. It was about 2.8 billion. The essence of this, the sale of this building, Access Bank promised that they are going to use it for their regional office. Using it for their regional office means that they will create employment and also affect the economic activities within Port Harcourt. That is one which the council approved for the Ministry of Special Projects. Ongoing projects that, as the Commissioner for Finance said, His Excellency approved 78 billion. We also benefited from it. The projects that benefited from the 78 billion includes 20 acres of sandfield and reclamation project at Ogu. We have the Uniport Convocation Arena. We have the Ataba Secondary School completion stroke the furnishing, staff quarter buildings for Rivers University at Ahoda, Emoha, Echie, and the main campus. Also, we have the Rumodugo 1 and 2 road completion. Rumodugo 1 and 2 road completion is 30.8 kilometers. We have the Woji, Alito, Alesa Refinery Road. We have the ACMGS road completion. We have the law school hostel, A and B, and the auditorium at Nyanagua. Also, Justice Mary Odili Judicial Institute, Port Harcourt. The Federal Judicial Commission Liaison Office, South Port Harcourt.
Health is not left out in these benefits from this release of funds. And the Sir Dr. Peter Odili Cancer and Cardiovascular Diagnostic and Treatment Center has been completed, and of course, the contractor has been fully paid. You remember in June last year, 26 billion was earmarked for that contract. It's been completed, well furnished with the most modern medical equipment for the attack of neoplasias, different types of neoplasias and cancers. And the other thing that the health sector benefited too, the River State University Teaching Hospital, where we have a basic clinical faculty and then the clinical faculties, as well as the renal and the dialysis center of the River State University and the House Officers' Quarters have also been completed and been commissioned. And there are other ongoing projects heavily being funded by the state government, the Kersey Harrison, which is at an advanced stage, as well as the dental and maxillofacial hospital in Port Harcourt. These ones have also reached an advanced stage and also been furnished. There are other projects going on in the Ministry of Health. These are the few ones I can mention. Thank you.
It has been a long day. So many discussions took place in today's meeting of the cabinet, and so many contributions were made. It must be emphasized that it is difficult, if not impossible, to find any state government at their twilight like we have here that is still awarding, paying, and commissioning projects. There has not been hard issues of construction, building, reconstruction alone. Other spheres and sectors have been touched by the government and the governor. I am pleased to inform you that the state governor, His Excellency Nyesom Ezenwo Wike, has just approved the appointment of 7,000 justices of the peace. It has been an all-round approach to development for which our people will be eternally grateful to our hard-working governor.